Hi, it's Linda from Homeschooling 6, and today I am excited. I got some happy mail from the Homeschool Review Crew, and this is, now, I always called this, all these years, I've always called this company Zeezok, but that's not their name. I don't know why, I've always done that, but I think it's, and I will find out the correct name before I do the actual review. This is just an unboxing. I'm not going to go over a whole lot. I just get excited when my book boxes come. And this one, so I think it's Zeezok. It's Z-E-E-Z-O-K. Is it Zeezok? Let me know in the comments. Publishing. And I am part of the Homeschool Review Crew, and so this was sent to me to review. And this is, again, this is not the actual review. I'm just doing an unboxing of all the goodies that I got today. So that way, my kiddos and I can start using it. So this comes like this. And we are missing one book. I think it was Tchaikovsky that they sent us as a download because when they were getting ready to mail this out, they realized that they did not have it. So I am missing one physical book. And excuse all the noise. Okay, so there's a lot of goodies in here. Let me just kind of show you as I get them out instead of. So, Frederick Chopin, son of Poland, later years. I guess I'll just show you the covers. And story. Looks like a storybook. Oh, so, again, I'll go over a full review, but today I'm just going to show you what I got. These are really nice. Edward McDowell and his Cabin in the Pines. And Frederick Chopin's son of Poland, early years. This one said later years. So this is the early years. If I'm mispronouncing, just let me know. And Robert Schumann. Wow, I'm really liking these books. Adventure of Richard Wagner. This is the Great Musician series. Again, there's also some pictures in here. Black and white pictures. Wow, these are really nice. The Story of Tchaikovsky. Am I saying that right? So there's another one with him that, again, is they sent us a download of it. Foster and his little dog, Stephen Foster and his little dog, Trey. These are nice. Oh, I'm getting to the teacher's manual. Wow, this one's a hardback. The Young Brahms. This one's a hardback. Well, I gotta snip this. Do any of you snip books? Let me snip one of these too. I do. I'm a book snipper. My mother was a book snipper. My sisters are book snippers. And I'm a book snipper. Okay. So now here's the teacher's manual. It's 3-hole punched. And this is Book 2, Music Appreciation for the Middle Grades. Looks good. I'll let you guys look at it. It's glossy, so thick. Ooh, this looks like so much fun. Ooh, recipes, stories. There's that. Let me just go through. Let me show you a few more pages. Where was that fun page I just had? So maybe this isn't the teacher's manual. I think this is the student book. So I will find out. Yeah, I will find out. So let me find that fun page. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this one. So, and there you have it. Fun unboxing for school. So, let me know what you thought of that. Look at all those books were so nice. I'll have to figure out, there's a letter here, so I'll have to see there's a teacher manual if that's downloadable, or maybe it's in the book, so I don't know. But I will have a full review for you and figure it all out. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day, and let me know what you thought. And do you follow the Homeschool Review Crew? If not, you should, and I'll leave a link to that below as well. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day.